All right, what's up everybody out there on YouTube and Facebook land? I'm not forgetting about my people out there on Instagram TV. Shout out. So it is Sunday, man, and I'm in these streets again. But I thought it was time to show a little love to the booster. So, you know, I got my girl. I'm back on the streets, man. We out here rolling around just a little bit, see what's popping. And so far, it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. I can't complain. Yes, sir. My buddy over here on his Harley, rolling strong as shit. We just doing our thing, man. I think he's heading back to the house now. We've been out playing around for a little bit. But for now, it's been a beautiful day, like I said. So, I don't know about you guys, man, but I look forward to these days like this. I cannot wait to get out on the streets, getting this wind. I can't think of nothing else that feels better. I don't know, maybe if I went skydiving or something like that, that might be about you know, you got the adrenaline, you got the wind flow, you know, it's all good in the hood. You know how we do it. But without, you know, adding a plane to the scenario, if it's just getting out here, man, and riding and enjoying this weather, this is how we do it. So, beautiful weather, good friends. Maybe you'll stop somewhere and grab a burger, something to drink. Don't let that Harley fool you. It's got some balls, y'all. I mean, you know, it ain't boosted fast. But it'll get down and boogie. He ain't complaining about it. I ain't complaining about it, so, you know, we do our thing. You know, I was watching TV earlier today and I started thinking about marketing strategies and how so many companies literally will be out of business probably within the next 5 to 10 years. And companies that you take for granted that are just going to be here forever. I mean, how many of you cats remember Kmart? You know what I'm saying? So when you think about it, let's look at a company like Amazon. You know, always innovating, you know, it's doing this thing. And you look at another company, say like a Walmart. Walmart has become the showroom for Amazon. Now, what do I mean by that? You decide you want to buy something, and 99% of the time, you'll go over to Walmart, and you'll take a look at it, and then you'll pull out your smartphone, and you go, you know what? Let me see how much this is going for on Amazon. And if the price on Amazon is a better price, obviously, you're going to buy the item from Amazon. And because, you know, Amazon doesn't have that high overhead like Walmart, they can make their prices more affordable. That's just the reality, you know. So I started thinking about that in so many different ways, you know, whether it be apartment rentals, home ownership, purchasing a car. You know, Amazon's got that company they purchase, you know, where you can buy your car and they send you this little token and you put it in a little machine and your car comes spinning down like it's in a vending machine. That's kind of cute. You know, it's gimmicky, but it's real. You know what I'm saying? So it is what it is. So I just, you know, that was just on my mind. I thought, you know, maybe some of you guys could tell me what you think about it. How many of you do the exact same thing? You know, I even think about that when I look at, you know, photography equipment. You know, for the few, well, there's really one left here in Houston. You know, I might go by and check out, you know, the local photography store, and I'm looking at a gimbal or a lens or a different camera body or tripod, whatever it may be. And I'll go and check it out and check out the quality of it, the, you know, the construction of it. And then I'll look at their price and I'm like, okay, let me see what Amazon's got this for, or what somebody else has got this for. And whoever has the best price, you know, barring it's something that I don't need like the next day, man, they got my money. you know, perfect example is I have a wedding coming up this weekend, and I needed a variable ND filter. So I went over to the Camera Exchange, which is the local camera store here in Houston, and you know, I checked out their prices, and then I went to Amazon. Man, believe me, their price was three times what it cost on Amazon. I was like, nope. So of course I ordered it on Amazon. And it was really funny. I knew I had bought one before, and I couldn't remember what I did with it. You know, we had the little flood and everything up here, and you know, we cleared a bunch of stuff out of the studio, and then I had a couple people rent the studio, and then, you know, your expensive stuff, you know, you gotta, you know, pack that away somewhere, or somebody will pack it up when they leave. So I couldn't figure out what happened to it. So I went ahead, of course, you know, and ordered a new one. And lo and behold, I get back home, and I'm digging through my camera bag, and there it was. Again, that started me thinking about, you know, Amazon and Facebook and YouTube, and how everybody's doing their marketing, and you know, how a lot of the manufacturers now are trying to market directly to us, you know, through, you know, Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, whatever the case it might be. And when you start thinking about that, that's the future. So even when you think about what's going on now with the smartphone revolution, you know, a lot of features that Android phones have that iPhones don't have. You know, like for an instance, the iPhone just got NFC. So we have done a big push toward marketing NFC, you know, to our clients, because our platform allows for beacons, NFC, QR codes, stuff like that. Well, because NFC will be mainstream, pushed by Apple, more people will adopt it, so more people benefit from it. You know, it's a win-win. So it, you know, it is what it is. But other than that, guys, I'm just kind of rambling. You know, we enjoying this weather, man. We just riding, doing our thing. So I will catch you fools in the next video. But until then, it's your boy Rome. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and you know, I'd like to keep this subject open. So if you guys have watched the video and you got some input, you know, you're thinking about this subject too, you know, how do you shop? You know, do you also do the same thing? Do you go one place and take a look at it and then, you know, buy it somewhere else online? I think, you know, a lot of people have been doing that, man, for years now. As long as they've been on Amazon or on eBay. Is eBay still around? Yeah, eBay's still around. But, you know, Amazon is the king. Yeah. But anyway, I'm gonna holler at you fools in the next video. Until then, it's your boy Rome, and I'm out of here.